In this video, how to update Windows 10 free. This is not updated Windows. If you not update your Windows, give a display message activate your Windows. Go to setting to activate. So in this video I am going to show you how to activate Windows free. First check the Windows. After that open command prompt, run as administrator, and then now your command prompt is open. Then use the 3 line of code. This is the code, the Windows 32, and type your code. C script same like this code. Okay, GX, then press enter. Make confirm its code is correct, then result will give message correct. Okay, install product key. This install successfully. So go to second line of code, same code you can type C script or use your keyboard up arrow, then you will get existing code, then backspace, then start the code change from skms kms.lotro.cc, then again press enter key. Key management service machine name set. So go last key only. You will see the activation windows. Now active Windows in the right corner is gone. So in this way easily you can activate your Windows free of cost. This is genuine Windows now. So this is a bypass way to activate Windows. If you like this video, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.